Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Stock number is A7759. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, inside leather interior, you have the SS here stitched into the headstock. Really gives it a sharp feel, is definitely going to make this thing stand out. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Camaro on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.